Let's be honest. Everyone's waiting for the so-called Monaco curse to hit Leclerc. And in FP1, it did. Rear-ending Lance Stroll just minutes in. Broken front wing, damaged floor, red flag chaos. And yet, Leclerc came back and went fastest overall. A 1 to 11.9 lap that was cold, calculated, and aggressive. "There's something wrong with the car," he radioed in. But on the timesheets, he was 0.163 seconds quicker than Verstappen. Here's the kicker. Is this a new strategy? Get the crash out of the way early, silence the doubters, and let the SF25 breathe on home soil. Because after the reset, it wasn't just pace, it was precision under pressure. And for those counting him out for the weekend, you might want to hold that thought. One question no one dares ask: was Stroll paying attention? He moves aside, then pulls back into the racing line just as Leclerc arrives. Aston radio in and Leclerc are there. Stroll: "I just felt Leclerc crash into the back of me. I didn't hear you." No mirrors, no situational awareness. End result: rear suspension damage, gearbox swap, FP1 over. That's a costly mistake for a team desperately trying to claw its way back into midfield relevance. Norris danced with the barriers, literally a millimeter more, and that car's in the wall. But instead, P3 and right in the mix. Piastri wasn't far behind, consistently sharp, comfortably top 5. McLaren may not have shown their full hand yet, but Monaco rewards bravery. And these two, they're ready to gamble. Also, Lando in a rhythm like this, on a tight track, that's a Verstappen-level threat. Verstappen's not used to this. Traffic, impeded laps, a McLaren sandwich on the timing sheets, and a car he couldn't catch. "Beat me, mate," Max snapped after being blocked by Bottas. Frustration is creeping in, and here's the part no one wants to admit. Monaco is one of the rare circuits where Verstappen's raw dominance can actually be neutralized. If Ferrari and McLaren keep the pressure up, don't be shocked if Red Bull's qualifying strategy becomes, let's say, unusually aggressive. Hamilton went airborne. "No, seriously. I've just gone completely over the curb," he said after launching over the chicane. He started strong in FP1, briefly topping the times. But once the session settled, the pace vanished. Still, one thing's clear. Lewis is trying everything. But with Ferrari's persistent grip issues, the more he pushes, the more unpredictable that car becomes. If you still believe the weekend will be straightforward, think again. Monaco never plays fair, and neither do the narratives. Subscribe to bold analysis, fearless opinions, and the kind of F1 takes they won't say on the world feed. Smash that like button, or risk missing the moment everything shifts.